Now we have quilt number 5, a variety of different blue hues, and also maybe seagulls, maybe a different type of bird in the pattern. So it's got the, the very tight quilting in it, which makes it very intricate. And as I said, the different blue colors, there's also beige. This quilt is a 72 by 64, so would fit certainly a queen bed, be a larger quilt for, say, a twin size. And the backing is a very nice shade of blue. Excuse me. You can see the detail of the quilting in this back. So again, it could be reversible if you wanted to have a more solid color for your room colors, wherever you wish to display it, either on the bed, on the wall. But it's just a very nice, subtle color and pattern for a quilt.